Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a transfer from Wise to Santander UK Bank. It is pretty simple, so just open up your app and right here just click on the payments. Here click on the send button. Here you'll need to select the currency that you're going to use, so it will be probably the British pounds. Click on the next. Here you'll need to select on bank details. Click who's your recipient, so select one of those. And here you'll need to select recipient's bank details. So that's how you select recipient's bank details. Just click on that one, select local bank, IBAN or SWIFT. So for the local bank account, you'll need to enter full name of account holder, UK sort code, and account number. After that, after you click continue, you will need to set the amount that you want to send and review all the information and fees for the exchange. And that's pretty much it. That's how you send money in Wise to Santander bank. Here you'll see the SWIFT code that usually are used for Santander UK. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.